So what is question by the way?
The slope of line PQ.
There is a line PQ. Okay. What are the coordinates of PQ?
P 6, K.
6, K and Q
1 minus 3K, 3.
1 minus
3K,
3K,
3.
3. Okay. And what is the slope? What is the slope?
1/2.
Huh?
1
1/2. ठीक, फिर क्या है? Find the value of K. So it is M is equal to YQ minus YP upon XQ upon XP. तो YQ is 3 minus K upon XQ 1 minus 3K minus 6, right? So as M is given you 1/2, so 1/2 is equal to 3 minus K upon 1 minus 3K minus 6. It is cross multiplied, so it is minus 3K minus 5 is equal to 6 minus 2K, right? So when you bring this on this side, so it becomes how much? Minus 5 minus 6 becomes 3K minus 2K. What is the value of K?
minus 11.
Minus 11. So K is equal to minus 11. Fine. K is equal to minus 11. And what next you have done?
Find the midpoint of PQ using the value of K.
Midpoint. How you get it? How much you get?
20, minus 12.
जल्दी लाओ गिलास दे दो ना
अभी फिनिश नहीं होंगे।
यो यो
गर्मी हो रही है और ठंडी में बैठे इतनी ठंडी लगती है।
गर्मी लगी वहाँ जाओ
So K की वैल्यू जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स गिवन है उसमें वापस गिवन
यहाँ पे हो गई, ये हो गई 6 minus 11 और ये कितनी हो गई?
1 minus
अपन नहीं क्यों 1 minus 11 करेंगे तो प्लस 34 ना 34 3 आया होगा ये। हाँ, अब इसका जब मिड पॉइंट निकालोगे तो XO is equal to 6 plus 34 by 2, becomes 40/2.
गिलास दे दो गिलास दे दो ना
अरे जाओ भाई, आप हटो ना थोड़ी देर के लिए. 40/2 40/2 is equal to 20. y0 is equal to, अबे ये कितना हुआ, -11 plus 3 upon 2 becomes -8 upon 2 becomes -4. So coordinates of midpoint जो हो गए, midpoint coordinates are 20, -4. ठीक है? This is 20, -4. This is any one question else you have? There will be some question.
अभी पता को बता तो फट.
Show me. This is question number 12. This is question number 12. Right? There are points which are collinear. What are the coordinates of them? A is
2a plus
2a
2
plus 2,
comma 3.
3.
B is 7, 4.
B is on the next end, na? B is in middle. What is that?
7, 4.
7, 4.
And C is 2a plus 5
C is 2a
plus 5,
plus 5,
comma 2.
comma 2. Okay. So when they are collinears, so their slope will be, this is say B. So when they are AB, A and B, A, B and C are collinear. Then slopes will be equal. Right? Then slopes will be equal. Right? When slopes will be equal, तो क्या हुआ? 4 minus 3 upon 7 minus 2a minus 2 is equal to, if this is m1, this is m2, so m1 is equal to m2, and this is 4 minus 2 upon 7 minus 2a minus 5. So how much you get? 1 upon 5 minus 2a is equal to 2 upon 2 minus 2a. So you can write 2 upon 2 bracket 1 minus a. This 2 and 2 is cancelled out. So this is 1. So now you write 1 upon 5 minus 2a is equal to 1 upon 1 minus a. Right? We will cross multiply it. So it becomes 1 minus a is equal to 5 minus 2a. So you bring this on the other side, it becomes 2a, right? And it comes on this side, it becomes 5 minus 1. So it is how much?
A is equal to 4.
A is equal to 4 by 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 2. So A's value is A is equal to 2. Is it? What happens?
So 4
है हो actually we did a mistake, very silly mistake. When you bring this on the other side, it becomes 2a minus a is equal to 5 minus 1. So a is equal to 4. My mistake, I have taken 2a here, but I forgot to take this minus a in taking in consideration, and this 1 comes on this side, it turns to be 4. So that's why it was happening. But it is a is equal to 4. This was question number 12.
Yes.
This is you have done.